This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the computer science course 3, and I'm on the lesson The Maze. Maze, multiple choice. Which block solved this puzzle? Now let's answer carefully. As a teacher, I know, and my students should know, when you hit submit, it doesn't let you change your answer, and I get it, or your teacher gets it. So let's really talk and think about this. All right. So if I look at my zombie and flower, it looks like I'm going to take, I'm not honestly sure, but maybe 3 steps forward with these little chunk things they draw on the concrete. And then I'm going to do a right turn and 2 steps. Okay. Oh, and they're using repeat blocks. That makes sense. But we're thinking 3 steps forward, so that's a 3 and a 3, so maybe one of those. And then which way would I want to turn? Well, I would want to turn to the left, I would want to walk twice, and then turn to the left again. Now, which one of these has 2 lefts? Oh, that 3 doesn't. So if it's 3 and 2 left, and we're not sure yet, but if it's 3 and 2 left, it's this. But this one also has 2 left, but that's 5, and I don't think that's 5. Now, once I go left, it looks like maybe 4 steps. It's definitely 1 more than this. So we need something that has 1 more, that has a number here, 1 more here, and in the middle turns left. So that doesn't turn left and that doesn't turn left. Well, this is 5 and this is 5. This is obviously 1 more step. So it must be 3 here, 4 there. Oh, you can change it. Good, because I just got it wrong. Woo! It is turn right. Ah! We had it right, but it's turn right. Ta-da! Woohoo! Awesome. And we're done with this lesson. Great.